Don't give me nothing. And them I go call police and mash up police like that, but that's why me know in them.
King Nyah.
Me just tell you on Tik Tok because me know a whole heap of scammer. Me talk it like camera because I don't give a fuck. You know I'm king of Jamaica. A whole heap of scammer on Tik Tok. I just scammer. Matter of fact, I just scammer them on Tik Tok. Anybody with them on the live now, I scammer that scammer on the day. Yeah, and a one man on Tik Tok now scammer like King Nyah. You notice me not tell nobody, tap up the live, tap it, you fuck out now. You're on my blood clot. Send out message now. You notice I don't say one rascal about tap up the live and give me no one. Matter of fact, I'm going to fuck around with me. Don't give me nothing. You fuck out now. I am king of Jamaica. I will give you something when the time comes. Tik Tok is who I'm talking to. You notice me never got me recorded. I record this for future reference. Because I give a rascal about tiny man them technology where Tik Tok, you know, and them my white boy them link. Don't give me nothing. That is what I say. Share up that round the live. Say,
Me work hard for the paper, so me a king of